Hi, good evening, everyone. Emma Bino, Lara makeup touch for me. I said no shit on. So, first around by movie IYA. I've been seeing several comments, reactions, and all that. It's expected. It's expected, and that is why it's a conversational movie. It's báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé kò ní tá bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ topic yẹn láti èní di ọ̀la a lè parí ẹ̀.
ẹ̀yin tèmi arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Jídé Àwòbọ́nà tó jẹ́ òṣèré fíìmù Yorùbá ó ti jáde wá sọ ohun tí òun náà rí nípa fíìmù ìyá látọwọ́ arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Jídé Fúnmi Martins. Ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀, ó sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Jídé Àwòbọ́nà òṣèrékùnrin yìí.
Ṣé you understand? Because it's just very simple. We don't react the same way to situations. Ṣé you understand? Tí ẹnìkan bá gbá yín létí ńsìn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa react máa yàtọ̀ sí tó bá gbá ẹnìkejì yín létí. Ẹ lè gbá mi létí sí kí n rẹ́rìn. Kí ni ẹ ṣe gan? Kàn gbá ẹlòmíì létí kó dàtẹ̀ padà lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Kàn gbá ẹlòmíì létí kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sunkún. We react to things differently. So ṣe dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mental health oníkálukú ó yàtọ̀, emotions oníkálukú ó yàtọ̀, threshold oníkálukú láti endure nǹkan ó yàtọ̀, bóníkálukú ṣe lè mú pain mọ́ra ó yàtọ̀, bóníkálukú ṣe ń love ó yàtọ̀, bóníkálukú ṣe ń feel hurt ó yàtọ̀. So you know, for àwọn tó ń sọ pé àṣejù ti pọ̀ jù ó ṣe kídìkan. I'm happy that part 2 came out and was able to answer most questions for you all. Even at that, àwọn kan ò tí get ẹ̀ náà still. Bó ṣe get ẹ̀ yẹn náà still, mo ṣì understand yín. Ṣé ti understand? So, nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi mọ̀ pé ilé ayé bá ṣe máa rí àti nǹkan yàtọ̀ ni pé you can see some people crying on social media saying this is my story. Nìkan tó ń bara jẹ́ gidi. Ó easy fáwọn kan láti judge. But ẹni tí irú ẹ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, I understand. Oh, you know, I understand. So I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you that have seen the movie IYA. Inú mi dùn gan. Ẹ máa bá wa wò, because these are topics, these are issues. You understand? Tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. And fún ẹni tó bá gbọ́n, mú ẹ̀kọ́ kan bẹ̀. Àtọkùnrin, àtobìnrin, mú ẹ̀kọ́ kan bẹ̀. Thank you so much. I love you. And to all of you dragging me, the law, and drag me. Bye. Love you guys. And do not forget, Ikunle is coming on JIDE AWOBONA TV. Ikunle. Ẹ bá mi tú yáyá, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tú yáyá wo ìyá. Ẹ lọ bá mi tú yáyá wo Ikunle náà. Ó ń bọ̀ ní 31st on JIDE AWOBONA TV. Thank you guys. God bless you. We love you. Mwah.
We want to review the movie IYA on YouTube.
My own opinion is that the movie cannot happen in real life because trust me,
That's why it's a movie.
that's why it's a movie.
It's not a true life
Let's
story.
just act as if it was real, but it can't be real. Well, because I'm a dad Joe.
And the reason why you are going to be having, anyway, we have two sides of every story. But trust me, if you were raised by a single mom and you saw your mom suffer to raise you right, raise you well, you will know that movie cannot happen.
Because you will not tell me that one Baba will now sit down.
Please don't preach forgiveness to me.
Don't preach forgiveness to me, Kaka.
Please wait. Don't preach forgiveness. If you cannot relate, stay
At all.
Do you understand? You that you were brought up with silver spoon, your mommy and daddy, you were. In fact, one of my friends has insulted me that we don't have a complete home. Do you remember?
Yes.
I don't want to say her name because our mom and daddy, they are together. Oh,
That one, not
That
even
one
the
is
bill.
sad.
Because they say that, it's because we are hot, because we did not have a fatherly love.
fatherly love. Do you know the
You
love?
think my mother
and
did
love
not try?
at home, oh?
You think my mother did not try that?
Ha.
Which, in fact, we that were raised by a single mom, we have more fatherly love than you people that that you, I don't know. I don't even know how to say it. But trust me, there's no fatherly
That's how I
love.
watch. That's how I watch Adam or Daddy and the cinema.
Dad or daddy.
But my message when I called me, hello Ipechi. Shati, we're moving here. I'm like, yo, if not because I know you, if not because you're my mama, I will come to your house and punch you. Yeah, I would have done that.
Adam or daddy was another.
I don't want to talk because she knows our story. That's why she called her.
Yeah.
Hello, Ibechi. When she called, I rolled my eyes. Why are you telling me this?
But anyways, that movie was not acted well because they went to
No.
court.
You're going to say the storyline. Don't let people say another thing.
No, like the IYA movie. Yes, it was good. It was a good.
I mean,
watch.
the actors and actresses that were there.
You see that Mide Martins?
She's actually very good. Very good.
I saw the pain in her eyes when the children, they were like, they're already going. Oh no, come.
Let's do it part 2.